Hey guys, what's up and welcome. I am Matthew Msingati, the hybrid, the best of both worlds. I am a designer and at the same time, I am a developer. In this course, I'm going to teach you everything about dashboard. If you've been confused and struggling with dashboard, this course is for you. I am going to take you from a beginner to a pro. This course is tailor-made for beginners, people who want to understand the concept. We are going to touch based on interesting and amazing React concept like design pattern, also good programming practices like solid principle, single responsibility, and all of it. Let's get into the demonstration. Okay, as you can see guys, okay, this is our dashboard. It has got a left panel. Interestingly, it has got also a light and a dark theme. Check here guys. Okay, as you can see guys, okay, light and dark theme. The other thing that you need to know about this dashboard is that it's responsive. Okay, let's quickly demonstrate. I'm going to teach you all of this from start to finish. Okay, let's check here guys. Okay, it's responsive as well. Let's just change the screen. As you can see, this is changing now. You can scroll. Okay, all your charts now are in a row fashion, and then from there let's scroll down. Check here what will disappear next. Okay, as you can see guys, this now has disappeared. In case you are asking yourself, where is it? Check here. Now we've got a menu here. When we click here guys, our navigation is back again, and all of these things that were here, which you no longer see them now here, they are here, as you can see. So in this course, we are going to create highly reusable component. So as you can see guys, this component is exactly the same as this one. I have changed nothing. I have just reused it. Okay, so this is the advantage of writing a highly scalable and a maintainable code. As I have promised, I am going to take you from a beginner to a pro. So let's continue guys. As you can see, this is responsive. Okay, as you can see, so I am going to teach you all of this without wasting time guys. Let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing that we need to do, as you know that we are also designers, I am going to copy this UI and I'm going to take it to Figma. Okay, why are we doing this? Simply because we want to extract some colors from here, okay, so that we can include it in our project. Okay, so we want the hex colors, so it's very important that this be on Figma so that we can sample the colors. Okay, so step number 2, we have to create a next project. Okay, so while I was browsing on GitHub, I saw this. Okay, I think this is by ShadCN. Okay, my apologies, I didn't tell you or give you an idea of the tech stack. Okay, we are going to use React Next.js. Okay, secondly, we are going to use a ShadCN to incorporate this light and dark theme. I think we are going to use also React charts or something like that. Okay, I don't know everything beforehand guys. Okay, as I've told you that I am not the guru, I am not the all-knowing guy. So we are going to use React charts, or it's Rechart. I'm not sure the library, it's been a while since I've used it. Okay, so we will just check it on Google which one is it. So it's going to help us with the charts. Obviously we are going to use Tailwind CSS, and also we are going to use TypeScript. Okay, this course is going to be fully packed with tools and techniques, okay, on how to go about things. So with that being said, I saw this GitHub page, which I believe it's a simple way of creating a Next.js application with ShadCN. Okay, so now I'm not going to create a Next.js application and show you how to install ShadCN. So you can feel free to visit this. Okay, this link, okay, as you can see, and then I'm going to copy this, and this is what I'm going to use. Guys, it's also my first time to use it, so I'm not really sure on how it works. Okay, I like to assume I'm just going to paste this command and it's going to give me what can I say, a template with ShadCN. Okay, I'm trying to get into the important details as much as I can. Okay, so what I need to do here, let me just click any file here. My apologies about this. I should have already opened Visual Studio Code, but I was in a hurry to create this course. Okay, I was inspired by that design thanks to the developer. So let me just put this on YT. I've got a folder here which is YT YouTube Tutorials 2024. What could be the name of this? Let me give you the folder of dashboard UI. Okay, let's say dashboard UI. Okay, and then let me double click it and copy in this path, as you can see, guys. So I'm just going to go to my Visual Studio Code and I'm going to open this folder. Okay, so now I'm inside this folder, as you can see. Okay, I am happy with that. Okay, so what I've realized in my channel that dashboard tutorials, they get more views, they get more likes, and they get more watch time. What does that mean? It means that you guys really want to learn how to design or how to create a dashboard. The other thing that I've noticed, not only that, number one, you want the source code, and number two, you want some sort of a Figma file or something. Obviously here we don't have a Figma file. We are going to work from this. So in case you want the source code, please check the link in the description. There is a link to a Substack, which is my newsletter. This is where I post all my source code. Okay, once you subscribe automatically on that newsletter, once you subscribe to it, you will get a link with all the source code and Figma file from Coded Design. There is only one thing that I'm still very poor at, and it's my weak point. Okay, it's timestamps. Okay, there are some challenges that are some sort of preventing me from doing timestamps. Okay, it's how I do things. Okay, more about that later. I don't want that explanation to take more of your valuable time, but I'm just trying to say, guys, please bear with me. I will get to a point whereby I release a video and I also put the timestamp automatically, and I also got a plan on how am I going to do that. Okay, so you will see it. Okay, I will create timestamps as I am creating this application. Okay, I hope that is going to work. So guys, as you can see, we are inside this folder. Okay, how do we know if we are inside this folder? So let's just come here. We will see this terminal. Okay, how do you go here in case you want to see the other way? Just go here, new terminal, as you can see. So this is how we know if we are here. This is the parent folder. So let's just paste that command that we have copied. This is not the command, my apologies about that. Let's go back and check here. Let's copy this. Okay, I don't know why I keep on losing connection. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to make sure that this is going well accordingly before I explain other things. My apologies about that, guys. Okay, so let's see. Wise dashboard. Okay, wise dashboard. Let's see, make sure the connection is there. I don't know, guys, why I keep on losing connection. My apologies about that. Let's see now. Suppose everything works well, as you can see, guys. Okay, so it was me, I just lost connection. Okay, so let's continue, guys. As you can see, it's installing. So I was explaining ShadCN. So ShadCN, it's like a copy and paste. This is Next.js, this is ShadCN. So ShadCN is like a copy and paste component library. Okay, so obviously the creator has got a very specific way of explaining it. Okay, so I don't think he views it as a component library. Okay, but some sort of as a tool to help you build your own library. Okay, so it's like that. Let's just go to examples so that you can see. As you can see, so these are the components that we are going to get from ShadCN. Okay, as you can see, in terms of dashboard, we've got charts here. We might as well use these charts, okay, from ShadCN. Okay, we might as well use this chart for the dashboard because I believe ShadCN behind the hood, or behind the scene, it uses the same library that we were going to use. Okay, React charts. So let's go back here, guys, and check. Okay, as you can see, guys, everything is continuing. Okay, it's also my first time to create a Next.js application with the ShadCN template. That's why I am keen, or I really want to use it. I want to see how is it, guys. Okay, I want to try something different. Okay, so we are going to use ShadCN. And what else? Let's go back here and check. Isn't there anything that I have to talk about here? I think everything went well, as you can see, guys. So we are inside this. Okay, we don't want to be here. We want to be inside the project name, which is Wise Dashboard. So let's just click anywhere here, reveal in Explorer, as you can see. So I want this path, and then I'm going to go to my Visual Studio Code. Okay, open folder, yes, and I will paste the same path and press enter, so that this could be here, and select. Okay, now we have a clean folder. Okay, as you can see, a clean folder. And then let's just double check if we are inside this folder in terms of the terminal, because this is very important. If you are not inside here, some other commands might not run. So if we want to start this and see how it looks, npm run dev. Okay, so we are going to run this project and see how it is. Invalid next config, I don't think those ones are that important. Okay, let's see, guys, how this looks like. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Let's go back here and click on local host 3 port 3000, and let's see how this project looks like. As you can see, guys, okay, this is the actual project. Let's see, what is this? This is home. This is a Next.js logo. Beautiful design components built with Redux UI. I think this is the ShadCN guys who are talking about this. Okay, remember, yes, as you can see, guys, it's taking us to this documentation. Okay, so let's see if what are the things which are already here. I wonder what is this. Okay, nothing clickable in a way, taking to their own GitHub page. Let's see, what is this. Let's see, I don't want this. Okay, my apologies about that. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, interesting enough, it looks like, okay, we already got the light and dark theme functionality. Okay, thanks to me for trying this, because let's go back here, check here. Okay, we also got this. Okay, so I thank myself. I once saw a what can I say, a clip on social media of Snoop is saying he will like to thank himself. So I just reminded myself of that. Okay, so I would like to thank myself for trying this, because now, as you can see, guys, okay, out of the box we've got the light and dark theme. Okay, meaning we've just cut maybe 30 to 35 minutes of implementing this. Okay, cool. If you've managed to get into this stage, I am proud of you. You are becoming a better developer. Okay, so that means our